This video is about receiving 4 Balikbayan boxes. Today, I received these 4 Balikbayan boxes. And of course, you want to know where it come from. It came from the UK. Actually, this is from my husband, Old B. He's been to the UK last year twice, January, and then another October, November for business. So 2 months, 1 month and 2 months. And this is the second time he went there, and he decided to send himself a few more boxes for our food here, or her clothes. And guess where's Olby again this time? He is back in the UK again. And this time it's gonna be for 3 months. So I'm here with my daughter all alone. But anyway, it's for business. That Olby was not with us, but I still can cope. I have pulled on touring the road and all that. I'll be showing you what are the stuff inside these Balikbayan boxes that I have to lug it in, pull it in here in my gym so I can have the space. So this is what's inside the Balikbayan of Old B. His clothes and all these canned goods. $268 cans of curries, a little bit of baked beans, a little bit of this, but mostly curries. You can see here, this is his favorite. And of course, emergency microwave rice if I'm not here, that he can make his own curry and rice. A little bit of electrical stuff, because you know our electrics is from the UK, our plugs and stuff like that. And that's it, mostly all these canned goods and lots of clothes. His clothes for the next year or two, but you know, if it's a normal people, they'll just last for 10 years, but that's Old B.